Hello, welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from a non-calculator paper in summer 2024 and it's worth 3 marks. And we've got a two-part question here. So it says a window cleaner uses this formula. So it says C equals 2W plus 5. So remember, when you've got a number followed by a letter algebraically, that means multiply. So that means 2 times W. Now the C represents the cost in pounds for the customer, and W represents the number of windows that are going to be cleaned. So we now have 2 questions relating to this. So it says, how much will it cost for 6 windows to be cleaned? And it says the cost for another customer was £24. We need to show, so that means it's definitely true, this cost must be incorrect. So pause your video and have a go at both of these questions. Okay, let's have a look at part A then. So it says how much does it cost for 6 windows? So we're going to substitute that 6 into our formula. So we've got 2 times 6, which is 12, and then 12 add 5 will give us 17. So there are 17, it's going to cost us £17 essentially in this scenario for those windows to be cleaned. Okay, next question then. We need to prove that the cost can't possibly be £24. So we can write this into our formula. So if we write 24 equals 2W add 5, and we can solve it as if it's an equation. So if we take 5 away from both sides of this, of the equal sign, we've got 19 here on the left, and we've only got 2W on the right now. And if we then do 19 divided by 2, that will tell us that W is 9.5, and that proves that this is correct, because you don't necessarily need to write this sentence, you can't have half a window essentially. The other way of proving this, you could, if you were to show the cost for 9 windows, so if you did 2 times 9, which is 18, add 5 to get 23, and if you did 2 times 10 to get 20, add 5 to get 25, you would be able to prove it using that as well. So if you were to show that the cost for 9 windows and the cost for 10 windows, that would prove it as well, that it's impossible for the cost to be £24.